Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I have a new kit called Love Notes that I would like to share with you today. Even though it's called Love Notes and it's kind of reds and pinks and peachy colors, it has a Valentine's Day undertone to it, I guess. So even though this kit can be used for Valentine's Day, I also made it so that you can use it any time of the year, not just for Valentine's Day. I did not print this borderless. You can, of course, do that if you choose. I printed it, all of this, on 32-pound paper, but it can be printed on your favorite photo paper, cardstock, whatever you choose. And the kit is available in the shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. So let's get started. So we're going to go through the pages first. This is one of the first pages, and it is lined. Then this page is lined. It's kind of a blank page, but it's lined. Then we have this page. This is a blank page. We have another page with the wood and roses. We got the floral, the heart, postcard, calendar. This side of the page is lined. Then we have the postcard collage with the red roses. We have the grungy pink stripes. And we have this page with the florals, the stripes, little paper to write on. You even have the lace trim up top. This is the postcard collage in pinks. So it's kind of muted pinks. This is a very light wash, but it's also lined. Then we get into the ephemera, journal cards, envelopes, deco. So this is a small envelope, and these can be cut to make two separate cards, or if you don't cut them in the middle and have a booklet style journaling card. This is the large envelope. Then these are the journaling cards. Coin envelope and the insert for the envelope. These are the small coin envelopes with inserts. This is a library pocket with library cards. These are pockets. So you have corner pockets, a regular pocket. These can be used for a variety of things. They're labels. Then we have the giant tags, some smaller tags. Then this is a sheet of the smaller tags. This is the deco sheet. Then we get into the weekly pages or weekly kit. So you can print the weekly planner double-sided like this, so that when you fold it and you have multiple pages, you have multiple weeks, depending on how you want to use it. So there are options. So you have that. Then this is the inside cover. So this is one of the covers. So cover 2, cover 1. So you ideally could print these front and back like that to make a cover, maybe for your weekly or for any other part of the kit. So you have 2 cover options, or you could just use these as actual pages in a journal. Then these are the patterns. So you have this light pink damask pattern, and I do the patterns in 12 by 12 so that you can print them portrait or landscape. So in the print dialog box, I left mine at auto, but you can, like I said, you can choose portrait or landscape. So these printed portraits, so I'm going to show them to you that way. So this is the pink damask. Oh, got it upside down. This is the red rose pattern. This is the houndstooth pattern in pink. It's like a dusty pink. There we go. Then we have the pink rose pattern. I don't know why these are flipped back and forth. This is the red damask pattern. And this is the heart pattern. So like I said, not too, it can be used as Valentine's Day. And I know I'm kind of cutting it close because we're right around the corner from Valentine's Day, but it can also be used throughout the year. So that's it. That's the kit, Love Notes. It's available in the shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and look for future videos of me actually using the kit. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.